Right, I'm back out on another dig. Let's see what we can find. Right, first find, just fallen out. It's amazing how a lot of these are all intact when you find these on this tip. Not genuine unless bearing, I think that's some WM Hartley's label. A nice big one. Right, next find. It looks to be a sauce bottle. Plenty of bubbles in that. It's definitely an old one. Don't know whether it's a keeper though, but we'll see. Right, I've come across a bottle. Let's see what it is. Let's see if I can get it out. Please don't be broke. That's an odd looking shape. I'm thinking it probably a sauce bottle. Definitely an early one. Not seen that. I've not seen that applied lip before. So there you go. Right, a nice little find, unfortunately broken, but the face is intact, the teeth are still there, but unfortunately it's not a keeper. Right, a nice little stoneware's just popped out. I know Tony, he collects them. So I'm going to gift that to Tony. So that's yours, mate. Excellent. It's a keeper. Right, another bottle's just popped out. Looks like a little sauce bottle. Right, it's got something on it. Let's have a look what it's got on it. Relish. I think it's a Yorkshire relish. Yeah, a Yorkshire relish. Got a bit tongue tied then, but there you go, bosh. Got some on the side as well. Oh, that's a keeper. I think I'll keep that. Excellent. Good. What was it? What's that say? Goodall Black House and Co. Yorkshire relish. Excellent. It's a keeper. Right, another find, another little stoneware jar, probably a marmalade jar or something, plain, which is a shame. I've got myself a milk glass, little jar, early screw top. What's that say underneath? A few serial numbers, I think it is. Yeah, a few serial numbers. But yeah, bosh. Right, we have a bottle sticking out here. Let's see if we can twist it out. There we go. Oh, what we got? Looks like another sauce bottle. Yep, we've had one of them. We've had one of them before. That's two of them. Oh well, we'll carry on. We have a Bovril that's just shown itself. Oh, a nice little, really nice amber coloured, that one. I think that's going to be really light, a light amber with a bit of luck. But that is a really nice one, 2 ounce. Excellent. It's a keeper. Right, we're just scraping all the soil out. Scrape that out and bosh. Here we go, a bottle. Right, it's playing on that side. Please don't be playing on. Oh, what a shame. Oh well. Let's keep on going. Gutted about this one. Probably the oldest beer bottle that I found today. Is it going to be one of them nightmare digs? I don't know. Barrows and Surges Limited, Derby. Gutted. Oh well, what can you do? Can't win them all. Right, I've just found another one for Tony. Nice little stoneware ink. So yep, cushy. It's a little beauty. Oh yeah. No markings on it like, but no maker's mark, but nevertheless, nice find. Right, got a bit excited there, hoping that it were a really awesome bottle. It is nice, but it's a plain one. Plain green wine bottle. Well, a big jar's just popped out. A big hefty jar. Number on bottom. The letter RBB. And it's got 1795. I don't think that's the date. It's just probably a serial number. But yeah, there we go. Big hefty jar. Right, I've just come across a nice little clay pipe bowl. It's got a load of little bumps on it. Not sure how old it is. It looks pretty old. But the bowl's intact, but it's got a few chips on it. Obviously, the stem's gone. But yeah, that's a nice little pipe bowl. That's a keeper. Excellent. Right, I've just climbed out of hole just to check out spoil. Sometimes it's good to check the spoil. I come across this, a nice glass jar, lid for a jar. Has got a few compression cracks, if you can just see them like that. You can see them all. That's obviously because it's been that deep. It's ready to probably shatter. This has come out a vial, bale, whatever you want to call it. It's just a clear glass. No, not on it. I don't think it's got one bottom. Oh yeah, it's got some serial numbers on bottom. There we go. A574 and then number 6. Well people, another heartbreaker. Ugh, got a bit of soil in my mouth. Yeah, unfortunately this is broke. You can see that it's embossed. I'll have a look what it is. Give it a wipe. WM Whitaker and Co Limited, the old brewery, Bradford. Whoa, we're having a cave in or what? Right, nice little inkwell's just popped out. Cushy. Right, it looks a bit of Virolex. Little jars popped out. Really nice condition. Actually, it's a little bit warped, if you can see that side to that side. That's more of a curve. That's gone in a little bit. It's more flat on that side than what it is on that side. Yeah, cushy. Right, there's a bottle in wall. Oh. Let's have a look. It's a Jay's, bottled by Jay's. That's not a bad one. They are pretty common. It's a UGB, so it's not bad. It's probably 40s. Nice. I'm happy with that. Right, there's a bottle under there. Let's see if we can get it out. Please be whole. What we got? Oh, we got a nice, not to be taken, poison bottle. Excellent. It's a lovely colour, that. Like a sky aqua blue, isn't it? Oh, it's a lovely colour, that. I like that. Oh yeah. Tell you what that is. That's a keeper. Oh yes. It's coming home. Right, a nice old looking glass jar's come out. It is slightly warped, if you can see. It shows that there might have been some heat, quite a lot of heat in this area, so we might get a few melted items. But that is a nice colour. Right, another Bovril's just popped out. We've got, looks like a casserole dish or something up there. Bovril were in there, it just fell out. So yeah, it's a 4-ounce one this time. Tall neck, so yeah, I'll be taking that. Excellent. And I'll try and get this out. Let's hope it's intact. Unfortunately guys, it's broke. Let's carry on. Nice little early inkwell. It's not a shear lip, but I'm pretty sure it's probably just after I started making them a bit better. It's got a letter C on bottom. Yeah, it's nice. That's a keeper. That's coming home. Oh yes. Right, a lovely little flask has just shown itself. Quite happy with that. Lovely, a few little bubbles in it. Right, a nice sheer lip little bottle's shown itself. Only a small one. We've had them before. This one has a slight little bit of its label left. Can't really make it out, but I'll do my best. Take a photo. So yeah, nice little find. Right, a nice early meat paste jar's just showing its then. All intact. They are quite decorative, these. Cushy. Right, there tends to be a lot of rubble. Not many stuffs intact in this part, but this has popped out. A nice bluey purple little bottle. I'm guessing it's a poison bottle, but it is plain, but a nice colour. Right, I'm going to get myself home, get cleaned up now. I've had a pretty good dig today, some nice items. So until next time, peace out, and I'll see you on the next one.